Hey there, Mrs. Gleason here, and I'm going to share with you how to make a QR code with either a logo or a word in the center of your QR code. So that way when you print it, those people that are using it will know what they're using it for. Or in this case, you see the one that I took a screenshot of the word want, recorded myself saying want, and created a link to that, so that way students could practice their sight words and check if they were saying them correctly. So I'll show you how to use Code Monkey. So when you go to the first section, it'll say URL, and this is where you're going to paste whatever you want, whoever scans the QR code, where you want them to go. And then the second part is add logo image. So you can upload an image. You'll probably want it already on your desktop. In this case, I'm making one for Freckle for students to get there. So I downloaded that image, but you can make your own image using Google Slides or anything else creative and take a screenshot of it and use that as well. I'm going to click open. And then now I'm going to go down right over here where it says create QR code, and it will put whatever logo you chose right in the center. Isn't that nice? Then you click download PNG, and it will download it for you. It does take a few seconds, and then it will put it on your desktop for you. And then you can print it or put it into whatever you are working with. So here it is right here. If I click on that, there we go. Now we know that's what that QR code is for. If you have any questions, as always, you can shoot me an email and I will try to help you out. Thank you.